Air fryer potato chips. Peel off the skin. Cut the potatoes. Rinse them to remove excess starch. Let it soak in water for 10 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Let it boil for 2 minutes. Let it dry. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and mix well. Put in the air fryer at 190 degrees for 20 minutes. Toss them around midway. Crispy potatoes chips ready to serve. Honey pineapple salmon. Minced 2 cloves of garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger. One-quarter cup of honey. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, some fresh salmon fillets, season with salt and pepper. Brush the honey pineapple glaze over the salmon fillet. Put some pineapple as well. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Bake in the preheated oven for 15 minutes. Basting with the remaining glaze halfway through cooking. Serve hot and enjoy! Mesclun salad. Add some cherry tomatoes. Dress the salad. All done. Enjoy your meal.